Hi, first graders. Today is April the 28th, 2020. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. First graders, I want to go ahead and just remind you about our Garbage Monster project that is going to be due on Friday. So I want to pull that up now and just share it with you just to help refresh your memories about the project. So in today's slides, I have linked what Mr. Hegnauer created about making a garbage monster. So when you click on each slide, you'll see the directions for this project. And actually, several people in this class have already submitted a picture of themselves with their garbage monster on this Padlet. I want to go ahead and share with you a few of those now. So if you're looking for some ideas, you're really stuck on this, these friends have already submitted a picture of the garbage monster that they made with materials that they have at home. You can see Grayson did this garbage monster, and Kat from our class use a lot of different materials. It looks like a can and a box right there for her garbage monster. Annalise, creative. Sophia completed a garbage monster already, as well as Dominic. Looks like he used some yogurt containers right there. And Jacob. So you have all week to work on this. Again, it's going to be due on Friday. If you have any questions, go back, look at the slides that Mr. Hegnauer prepared about doing the garbage monster, or just ask me. I'll be happy to help you. Okay, friends, as always, click the next link to listen to the pledge with Mr. A and the announcements. Let's make it a fantastic day of e-learning.